Welcome to Bogart Bust. Welcome also to my rooftop patio. I thought that this is the perfect place to talk about some of my summer favorites, the things that I've been absolutely loving so far this summer and that have been my go-tos for style, beauty, and more. So without further ado, here are some of my favorite things for this summer. To kick off with, I have been loving these kind of more, I guess, city-friendly sandals. I often wear flip-flops just because Vancouver is so relaxed. But it's nice to have something that's a bit more of a dressed up option. These are also a really great affordable pair. Something I'm super happy about is finally finding a razor that doesn't irritate my sensitive skin. I really struggle in the summer because I'm always in dresses or in bathing suits, and I obviously don't want to have stubble all the time. But it's really hard to do that when you have super sensitive skin and to stay on top of shaving. The new Intuition Fab is amazing and never irritates my skin. I also love that you can shave both ways. You can go up and backwards. I've been doubling it up with Raspberry Rain Signature Moisturizing Shave and Gel by Skintimates, and I am loving both of these together. I've been doing it every other day, which for me is almost unheard of. Usually I have to go like a week between shaving because my skin's so sensitive. So this has been an absolute godsend for me. Another one of my go-tos has been a really great coral shade, and preferably in kind of a more creamy lip gloss formula or something similar to a lip balm. I'm not really one for makeup over the summer. I like to keep it really, really simple, so just one pop of color like this is all I need, and it's the perfect kind of shade where it's just like barely there cool. So you might not have been expecting a Kobo as one of my summertime favorites, but because this is kind of like my general favorites roundup, I thought it was important to include something I've been using so much all this summer. I love it because I'm reading so much in the summer, more than I do in the winter and fall, and it's kind of hard to constantly get new editions of everything. So I can keep it all here in one spot, so when I'm traveling or when I'm at the beach, I have all my books with me all the time. Another thing I'm all about always, all year round, but especially in the summer, is some really oversized sunglasses, not only because they look great, but because they cover up the sensitive skin around my eyes. It's really delicate skin around your eyes. You really want to protect it and actually shield it from the sun. So some oversized frames with the right kind of filtering in the lenses is so key, and these are some of my faves. Another thing that's going to add so much life to your whole summer is a really, really great speaker, a great Bluetooth speaker you can take to the beach, or if you have a patio like this, something that you can bring up for patio parties, or quite frankly, I just work up here every day and just blast this, and it feels like a bit of a mini party every day while I'm working. Another one of my obsessions lately are these hoops. These are gold with Amazonite stones in them, but any gold hoops for me right now are just my absolute go-to. There's something that's so kind of sensual about a hoop, and it's really feminine and beautiful. It looks so good with summer dresses, and it's really kind of a nice accent to beachy hair too. I've said it before and I'll say it again, a beach bag is an absolute must. This one has sadly been sold out for a really long time, but you can get them all over the place, and I'm sure I can do a roundup soon for you guys too, so you get some more good options for them. But they are so great, they're so beachy, and I love that they kind of add that beachy vibe even if you're in the city like I am. And if you get a big one like this too, they're actually really, really durable and carry a ton of stuff. So if you're going to the beach, it actually works as a beach bag on top of adding that kind of beachy style element. So it's a must. If you don't have one of these yet, you kind of have to get on the train. They're so great. So I've been a bikini girl forever, but I am really, really on the one-piece train lately. I love that you can kind of just change up from something like this, like a more sporty sleek style. I got this in Greece last summer and I love it, to something that's a bit more feminine, like this one that's been one of my absolute favorites. You might remember this from the video I did for my beach time essentials. So ruffle sleeve detailing, kind of a backless back. I absolutely love this one. What I love about the one pieces is that not only are they great for the beach and the pool obviously, but they're really cute with a skirt or with shorts too. If you're going to kind of a beach or a place or you're on vacation, they're kind of the best multi-purpose pieces actually, and I just feel like they make a bit of a stronger style statement sometimes than bikinis. And for sun safety and obviously of course a big huge dose of style, hats are always going to be a summer favorite of mine. What I'm loving for this year though is that instead of the kind of usual straw colored hat that's really simple with the one band, I'm looking for hats that have a bit more of a kind of unique design to them. So I'm loving this one. It has kind of this nice detailing around the brim here. It's more stark white and black, which I feel like you don't see quite as often with these kind of straw hats. It feels like a better option maybe for the city or for more of a kind of refined look, but it's still great for the beach obviously too. So you guys can probably tell if you follow me on Insta story or really just on any of my channels that I am obsessed with the sun. I am such a sun worshiper, but I'm really careful in the sun because I'm out there so often. So I'm always taking something that has at least SPF 60 on my face and my whole body every single day, even if I'm only upstairs for like 10 minutes getting some work in. It's really important for me to protect my skin, especially because I used to damage it so much more when I was younger that now I'm trying to be really careful about it. Last but not least, I am obsessed with any kind of retro print like this right now. So polka dots or kind of a checkerboard design or just anything that's kind of a bit more of a retro vibe to it. I think it's a really nice way to add a bit of a playfulness to an otherwise more feminine or sleek kind of dress. So this dress is quite like femme and it has some beach qualities to it, but the print on it in this kind of peachy tone really just adds a little bit of fun to it. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up below, hit subscribe if you aren't already following me, and make sure you leave a comment with any of your other favorite summer essentials. I'd love to hear what they are. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.